Hi, and welcome to VENLA resell+relove. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do product pricing once you already have made a booking for a rack rental with VENLA. Once you've made a booking, you will receive an automated reservation confirmation from us in your email. This is the confirmation I received. So basically, it tells you all the steps you need, whether you've made an all-inclusive service, in which case we do the pricing for you. In today's case, you've made a self-service booking. So the email gives you also step-by-step instructions on how to list and price your items, what to do at rental starts, how to work during your rental period, and everything else. So please make sure you have that reservation confirmation email in your inbox. All the information is there. To get to the platform to do your product pricing, the easiest way to navigate there is to go through our website, venla.com.au, go to login, which takes you to Zeller, our platform, where you select the store. Now we arrived at VENLA Mossman. Our welcome message is over here. So you have a rack reservation already now, and to check your reservation, you can go over here to my reservations, and you will see here, there's my reservation we're working on now. Product pricing over here is where we go to start our new product pricing list. Now, all my old lists are here. If it says here printed, it means that you cannot actually change anything in the list anymore. You cannot go and edit anything because we have already printed those items. So what we do is we go to create a new product sheet over here. You can name your sheets just to make it easy if you have several sheets. So I'm just going to say that this is for my May 26 booking. Okay. And then you can go here. There's buttons here. There's the edit button, mark as done, and remove. So we want to go to edit the pricing here. And now we can go to add new products. So remember, in this first list, you can have your 40 items plus 5 accessories in the one list. We will print the list for you when you come to the shop in the morning when your booking starts. Now, when you start entering your items here, what we ask that you do is basically give your item the description of brand, color, item. So say Zimmerman red dress. You don't need to do the size. You don't need to have any hugely long description. The actual tag where we print has a limit of 40 characters, so it doesn't print all of it anyway. For pricing, we like to use the 9 pricing just for a bit of sales psychology. Also to explain why we want you to write the brand and the color and description in the description is that if a tag falls off an item, we can actually find it easier with the description, not just Zimmerman, but the red dress, then makes it easier for us to find it. Also, when we sell the item, we match the tag to the item so that we are actually selling a Zimmerman dress and not something else. So then we'll just add a couple of other things here. Once you've done, say, like 5 items, make sure you actually save the list by pressing the button. When it's saved successfully, the items turn white. If for some reason the items don't turn white but stay yellow like they were there, something is wrong and you will actually need to log back into the system. The system has actually logged you out if you've been out of there for too long. So just make sure that when you save, everything turns white like this. the system actually automatically adds the dots 00 cents in there. Please do not do them yourself. So in the list, remember that you can, in your initial list, you can prepare 40 items there plus 5 accessories. Remember, we do not accept any jewelry, swimwear, bodysuits, undergarments, or any items made of real fur. And also remember the limits is max three pairs of shoes for the accessories. Once your list is all done and you've saved it again, you can basically then go back to product pricing over here. Your list is here. It says pricing unfinished. You can leave it unfinished, or you can click here mark as done. If you click it mark as done, then you cannot go and edit anything anymore. It's fine to leave it unfinished. We can actually at the shop mark it as done and finish it for you once you come to the shop in the morning. Remember, you can also always do several lists. You can do several sheets. If you mark this one as done and then you realize the next morning that, oh, I actually needed to add some more items, just create a new product sheet. You can have a couple of product sheets. That's all fine. Remember, all the information is on the reservation confirmation email that you would have received when you made the booking. It comes from a no reply email at Zeller. If you can't find it, it might be in your spam folder. But all the information is there. The instructions on how to list and price items are there. Also information on what to do when your rental starts and during your rental bookings. You can also do the pricing in the Zeller app in your phone. In product pricing area here, we don't recommend that you do the first big list in the phone. Better to do that on your laptop. But if you suddenly remember that you've got a couple of items you needed to add, you can do it in the phone app. Also, it's very handy for your sales tracking. You actually see your sales in real time in the app. If you still have questions, please email us at hello@venla.com.au or contact one of our stores. We look forward to seeing you at Venla soon. Thank you.